There's copyrighted music playing out there, but oh, look at this. This is strange. Anyway, we're at 1254 North Main Street in Lapeer, Michigan, and we have another elevator here. And this one actually has a digital indicator. Classic leveling, nice. Okay, now we're gonna go back down. This is a cool elevator. Alright, we're gonna go back to 2. There's music out there playing. Anyway, there's the phone. Non-ADA compliant. It's got the old buttons on it too, so definitely an older style one. And the certificate is expired, unfortunately. This is a cool elevator. This might be one of the coolest Otis elevators I think I've ever filmed. I want to see. Yeah, really have to match the door open button. Yeah, it doesn't work. All right, we'll get a cabin. We're even gonna take a third ride. Why not? I don't typically do more than 2 rides, but in this case, we're gonna take a third ride because this is an interesting Otis elevator. Like I said, it might be the coolest one I've ever filmed. Let's classic level a little bit, all right? And we'll end it now on the first